me, I don't like the situation with Matthias. Because first time he saw this girl, Enrica, he totally, how you say Maltese, wa'alu? Wa'alu, Alia wa'alu. Mandu.
Veru fissa fuqa, anka ħarrablek darba bil-lejl, u xiek, at night he went to her.
See, but I don't mind, huh? Because at night I see like a star like this. I don't know what happened to the man. First time he saw her, the Enrica holding hands. I don't know.
True, veru, issa useless you are out anyway, Sush. So, how are you spending your free time, Vanessa?
Okay, before Love Island I was into marketing. Now I'm into circular economy.
Yeah, in what sense?
In the sense that now how it works is like this. First I get ice cream, I lick it, I get fat patata, and the man go, oh, I like your patata. So I buy another ice cream, I lick it, patata go, it's like a circle, you know, always going. Then I buy another ice cream, I lick it, patata gets bigger, oh, I like your patata.